Hi, I'm Jonathan Tedds from the University of Leicester. I lead a project called BRISSKit, which is open source software for managing your research data. It's for managing your patient cohorts in studies. It's for managing data associated with questionnaires, with surveys that we use in health sciences research. It's for use in clinical research, managing specimens. It could be blood, urine, and so on. And the unique thing we do is that we link together mature open source software components in a way that's easy for others to reuse. If they're technically minded, researchers like to tweak these things, and it's open source, so they can do. But if not, we can provide managed services as well. And we're working very closely at the university with JISC and its partners. So JISC is the UK's higher education IT research and development funder. And we're working closely with them to offer managed services for groups, perhaps using the Janet Academic Network, and we offer them the chance to take this software for their generic workflows that they have, and then they can do their expert research and development on top of that. So that's sort of at the core of what we do for BRISSKit, and we have new funding in the next 2 years to build on this, to work with partners across higher education, the Department of Health and various others, various partners, to basically build this in a way that makes sense to researchers and hospital-based researchers, and also to do it in a way that allows nursing staff who work on these research projects to get consent from patients and to provide, if they consent, to provide their own data which you can link in to these surveys and research projects. Now, of course, we must look after this data very carefully if it involves real patients and real individuals, and so that will never go outside the NHS hospitals where those records lie. So we provide anonymized versions of data sets for use in research in universities, and of course we're all about trying to help the next generation of research and improve the practice in hospitals based on that research. In the BRISSKit project, we've taken mature open source software tools. These are very adaptable, and that's what researchers need to be able to do. They also have a community of users around them, and that software is reusable by others. It's out there, people can get at it, they can tweak it, they can see what changes have been made to it, and it offers a much more sustainable way to manage research projects than perhaps a bespoke piece of commercial software, which then you don't have any funding left to use at the end of a project. So this is a way of sustaining key management of data in projects across many different projects, and doing it in a sustainable way that doesn't involve complex licensing. And of course, the way that research and development is funded now in the UK, we have to make the data underlying the research available for reuse. Okay. To find out more about the BRISSKit project, please go to the website. So there's a Twitter feed at BRISSKit, BRISSKIT. Please go to the website, which is www.brisskit.le.ac.uk, or email the project, brisskit@le.ac.uk, and we'd be very happy to talk to you. We're happy to come and demonstrate the software working, and we're happy to look at your use case and see if there may be a fit for one or more of the components that we offer. You don't have to take the whole stack, you can just take one piece of it.